Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I'll talk about all the business and consumer-oriented products that Lenovo has unveiled at Consumer Electronics Show or CES 2017 at Las Vegas. I'll start with the business-focused products. First product in the list is Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 family. The ThinkPad X1 series now gets three updated devices: X1 Carbon, the X1 Yoga, and X1 Tablet. Starting with the X1 Carbon, the 2017 ThinkPad X1 Carbon weighs just 2.5 pounds and is touted as the lightest 14-inch business notebook. Next device is the ThinkPad X1 Yoga that impresses us with its true multi-mode capability. It packs 7th generation Intel's Kaby Lake processor and a 14-inch OLED touchscreen display. Third device is the ThinkPad X1 tablet that features an innovative modular design, allowing users to attach full-sized keyboard to use it as a laptop. It also features modules that provide port expansion. Besides ThinkPad X1 family, Lenovo has launched some other business-focused products as well, such as Yoga Book and Idea Mix 720. The Lenovo Yoga Book is a 2-in-1 tablet that offers enhanced productivity features to the users. It comes with a stylus with real ink that lets users take notes or draw sketches. The Mix 720 is a stylish and lightweight 2-in-1 detachable laptop that comes equipped with numerous productivity tools. Now let's talk about the consumer-focused products unveiled at CES 2017. For gaming fanatics, Lenovo has introduced two new Legend series laptops, Legend Y720 and Legend Y520. These two gaming laptops are equipped with latest technology like 7th generation Intel Core processor and Dolby Atmos and offer a fully immersive gaming experience to the users. Second consumer-oriented product is the Fab 2 Pro. It is the first smartphone in the world to feature Google's Tango technology that enables augmented reality gaming and utilities. It turns the surroundings of the user in virtual reality space. Lenovo has also launched a bunch of apps for the Tango-enabled Fab 2 Pro smartphone. The apps include iStaging and Matterport. These apps let users map and decorate their own interiors, turn the home into a virtual playground, and film themselves with holograms. Next is the Idea Center AIO 720, which is a high-performance productivity desktop. It features a 24-inch display with 4K UHD resolution, Intel Optane technology, and Harman Kardon speakers. Next is the Lenovo Smart Assistant, which is a digital personal assistant with Amazon Alexa cloud-based voice services. It recognizes voice commands of the user and uses Alexa to perform various functions such as web searches, play music, create reminders, and more. Seventh product is the Smart Storage that gives users ample of space up to 6 terabytes to store movies, images, and other digital files. Lastly, Lenovo's new Glass C200, which is a smart glass product that combines augmented reality and artificial intelligence. It helps commercial customers to perform better at their jobs, access information faster, and connect with remote co-workers. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.